Hi guys, I'm doing just an unboxing really, or whatever you want to do it, uncasing of the Makita. It's not that one. This is a misdescription. I bought this off eBay, but yeah, it's a hammer drill. I'll leave the descriptions in there. So anyway, I got this case. It's not a bad case, pretty robust. Could have done with some metal clips on there, you know, let's go. Anyway, inside spare, that's a 4.0 18 volt drill. Comes with a hammer drill and also a spare battery with both clips on it. Real powerful drill at real powerful price. I've got the upgraded DC18RC with that as well, which is really good. Nothing else, plain drill. As I say, some of these stuff you get off eBay, this was £178, not cheap at all, pretty much a little bit over my price range, and I'm still kicking myself now, but yeah, I say that I'm going to get years of use out of it. I got it because I wanted the additional power. I could have got something cheaper with a drill bits and crappy 3 or maybe 2 amp batteries, but I wanted something that could do everything, drill holes through bricks and stone, and because obviously I'm living in a stone cottage, it's got to go through heavier shit. So I thought I'd show you that, guys. That's what's in the box. Lid's not bad on that drill either. The extension, they just clip up. And the good thing about this case is you can get so much more in it, so you can see some of the shit I'll be organising later on. But I thought I'd show you that. So yeah, as I say, and before I go, it is the give you the model of this drill, which is should have done anyway. It's the DHP. I'll zoom in there. It's the dhp482 drill. The settings on it are like, you've got all the power, wood, screw, torque settings, two settings there. Very good drill, very robust, quite a heavy drill, but I'm into heavy. Light means cheap, you know. So that's it, guys. Just a quick look at that. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you later. Would I recommend buying it? Well, at that price, maybe look around. I was hoping to get something like that, but I don't know. But this is just adequate for what I need. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.